Hey guys and gals, today we're going to be disassembling this Compbrake pedal box for you guys. This particular unit is for an R32 Nissan GTR with bias adjuster. And this is a pedal box that allows you to maintain the factory pedal position, but you have all the benefits of a full race brake setup. So we'll go ahead and get started, and if you've never seen one of these disassembled before, I know I haven't found a video yet, hopefully this will benefit you. Alright guys, so now you can see you've got the exploded view of the Compbrake pedal box. You've got your 0.625 for the front, 0.7 for the rear, the bolts that go right there. And then you've got this, which hangs down from here, and you've got your balance bar in here, so that goes in like so. You want to get it centered in the middle, ideally to start with. And then you can adjust it for your bias. That is there. This clips in to that there. These guys go on the inside of those. And yep, that hangs down. And that's pretty much the principle of it. You adjust it on the outside with this, so that goes on the end of that. And you adjust your brake bias. So that is the breakdown of this Compbrake pedal box for the R32 Nissan GTR. And you've got your bias adjuster. So I hope this helps. If you liked this video, found it helpful, please click the like and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.
Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at Gearheadgirl69.